Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about crypto.com. I want to talk about Binance getting some heat and all these other exchanges becoming under fire, and this FTX contagion just seems to not want to go away. I also want to talk about Bitcoin and how we're having a yearly close, a yearly candle close very shortly. So let's hop into this video. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe now. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. Let's hop into this video. All right, so on crypto.com, we're still trading between the 10 cents and 5.5 cents range. We did break to the downside out of this triangle formation I have drawn up here. And if you would have opened a short out of this breakout over on Femex or on BitGet, you could have made some money. If we have some free money in the description box below to those exchanges if you want a long or short. It's for experienced traders only, but if you'd like to, there's some free money in the description box. But we did break to the downside. I don't think we have much further unless this Binance news continues to get out of hand. I think it's pretty tame right now. Let's hop into that. So, breaking, U.S. prosecutors consider filing criminal charges against Binance and CZ for possible money laundering and sanction violations, Reuters reports. You know, guys, there was a lot of FUD going on with Crypto.com. And the last thing we need right now is FUD with Binance, honestly. Binance is a competitor of Crypto.com. However, Binance, we need to stay around. It is the #1 largest exchange in the world. If Binance goes down, crypto will be in a world of hurt, guys. And I don't believe Binance will go down. They did their audit. They did their audit. They showed their proof of reserves, just like Crypto.com. But you know, it's just really interesting seeing what's going on right now in the space. Just all these big names getting attacked. It is definitely a coordinated attack on the cryptocurrency space. It's not. This is no coincidence that all of this is happening at once. That FTX collapses, and then all these other exchanges start becoming under fire. There's no coincidence for that. It is a orchestrated attack. And you know, I know Binance will be fine, but I just want you guys to know, you know, some people are like to choose the sides, you know, crypto.com or Binance. What we really need to be looking at is we need to be coming together here, and we all need to support the exchanges that are good exchanges, that have the good actors. You know, and some of you guys may love or hate CZ Binance, and some of you guys may love or hate Chris Marszalek, honestly. But the important thing is that we don't spread FUD for no reason. It's important to ask questions and be skeptical, but it's also very important not to spread rumors that could damage the industry even more and become an even more, you know, wild west to the outsiders of crypto. We don't want that. We want there to be some regulation in the cryptocurrency space, and we want it to be free. We want there to be, we don't want the regulation to be heavy-handed. We just want it to be there so that people don't get their net worths and their livelihoods completely decimated by exchanges stealing their money and scams, straight up scams. I'll say it, just scams. We want them to be gone. We need regulation for that. But we don't need to bring down all of the crypto exchanges based on rumors. I mean, just look at what happened to Crypto.com, guys. There was so much damage. But, you know, I will preface it and say, we did come out way stronger on the other side. The Crow fam and the Crypto.com community is way stronger than I've ever seen it before. Even since, I mean, I've been involved in Crypto.com and an investor of MCO coin and CRO since, man, probably 2018, I believe, whenever MCO was out. And I've never seen the Crypto.com community stronger than it is now. Like the Loaded Lions community, it's incredible, guys. It's incredible. But it's important that we're not spreading rumors about other exchanges. There's no room for that right now. We need this industry to be taken seriously for the technology that it is, because this technology is serious, guys. The blockchain technology is extremely, extremely useful for society. And I don't think the majority of the world sees that quite yet. People just think it's internet money, and people think it's the wild, wild west, and they hear about FTX stealing all this money, and him and Sam Bankman-Fried not going to jail, and they assume, oh man, that's dangerous, that's gambling, that's a casino world. We need to make our way out of that, and we will, with transparency, like Chris Marszalek coming out with proof of reserves, for you being able to personally backtest your wallet to see if your money is safe, and it is safe. Binance coming out with proof of reserves. But, you know, there's still going to be FUD. There's always FUD. There's always FUD in bear markets. Wherever there's profit to be made, there's going to be FUD. You know, that's just how it is. But, so let's look over at BNB coin. You know, it's been taking a hit from this craziness going on. We don't want to see, you know, I've been seeing people say some crazy things like, oh, BNBs can come down to $0. Like, no, guys, like, no, it's not. That's not going to happen. If that happens, that'd be catastrophic for the cryptocurrency industry. We've come down about 6% so far. It's not terrible, but it is taking some damage. But so I also want to talk. I think that BNB is going to be absolutely fine, but it's just there's a lot of FUD going on, guys. Try to be the mature people in the space and ask questions, and don't just spread rumors unless there's facts behind it. But so let's look at Bitcoin right now. So I want to show you the yearly candle closes, because right now we are leading closer and closer, guys. We're almost to the end of the year. And we're getting closer and closer to the 365 days leading up to the Bitcoin halving. And you know what I've been saying. My theories on that is the hype starts. The hype starts building 365 days leading to the halving. And I want to show you some interesting things. So here is the Bitcoin yearly chart. Each candle represents a year. And we are almost done with a red year. But the problem that I am seeing here is this will be the first ever bearish engulfing candle, completely engulfing the previous year's profits. We have not seen that before, guys. We have not seen that before. Am I super worried about it? No. As long as we don't break below this trend line down here, which would be, I don't know, about 13,900, about 14K on Bitcoin. As long as we don't break below that in the next 3 weeks, I'm not worried about it at all. I am very curious, very curious come the next yearly candle where we head. I mean, hypothetically, if we were to draw and extrapolate the data from the previous candles, we should be seeing some green candles, guys. Some green yearly candles, which I know everybody is dying to see. We need some green yearly candles. We're still on this trend line. This trend line is still healthy. This horizontal trend line, however, we are definitely, this will be the support. We definitely are getting a little bit dangerously close to that, I will have to admit. Because we will have another year, and I really don't want to see the new yearly candle come out and come and touch this. I really don't want to see that. But could it happen? Yeah, it could. But I don't want to see that happening. The overall trend line is healthy. The horizontal trend line, we're about to touch. Will we come down to 13,900? I hope not. Can we? Maybe. We'll have to see. We'll have to see what this next year has in store for us. This is a very big week, guys. We have the federal FOMC meeting coming out on Wednesday. Big news, guys. Big news. Data-driven market we're in right now. Data-driven market we're in. But, you know, I just wanted to show you this yearly candle and talk about this briefly with you guys because it is very intriguing to see. This is the first ever bearish engulfing candle. We have completely eclipsed this candle previously. And but hypothetically, we should be having some green yearly candles coming up very, very shortly here, guys. Very, very, very shortly. 365 days leading up to the halving. That's my prediction. If you stuck around this far, guys, please give me a like, subscribe. I really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving Crypto Kip and I. Be prepared for our live stream tomorrow, 5:30 p.m. CST. We're doing them every Tuesday and Thursday. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.